We are not done with the rainfall. We could have a little bit more this evening, and then into tomorrow we've got some pretty good odds of more showers and thunderstorms. Now the timing of that is going to be a little bit tricky. Looks to be around midday and perhaps the early afternoon for some of us, and hopefully clearing out by the time the evening rolls around. It'll be another cooler one with a high of 88 degrees. 89 on Saturday with some lingering showers and thunderstorms, and then maybe just a very brief shower in the area on Sunday, as highs will be warmer. We're back into the 90s by then, with a high of 93 degrees. So it has been a little bit wet for some of us so far today, and we may not be done with that. Now, a lot of the rain so far has been clearing out to the east. We're seeing some sunshine take its place to the west, but even farther west, there still are some showers and thunderstorms brewing, and those, if they hold together, could be making it in here over the next little while. So our chances of rain for today are not completely done. And like I said, tomorrow you may want that umbrella too, at about 50% chance of rain. And again, not everyone I think is going to get that rain tomorrow, but many of us will. And it's just a matter of when that's going to be coming through, whether it's late morning or the afternoon hours. Let's see what FutureTrack has to say about it. And again, it sort of paints some of these showers and storms coming in from the west later on this evening. Could be something we're dealing with by the time 7:30 rolls around, and maybe a little bit after that. And then a fairly quiet night, at least in terms of a lack of rainfall. But here comes some more rain from the west for tomorrow. This could be arriving around 12, but you could just as easily push that up a couple hours, maybe back a couple hours. At some point, I do think we are getting some more waves of rain and some thunderstorms in here for Friday. That's just going to be how it goes. But most of the data does agree that it's going to be leaving by the time, say, mid-afternoon or late afternoon rolls around, which may still mean a couple lingering showers and storms for Friday evening. But for the most part, it does look like we're being optimistic for our Friday night football outlook here. And then into Saturday, once again, can't rule out some showers here and there, and that's true for the afternoon as well, which may involve a couple thunderstorms. Now, your wind speeds this evening out of the east at about 11 to 12 miles per hour, and still with an easterly wind tomorrow afternoon, but not quite as strong, just a 5-mile-per-hour breeze there for the most part. Getting into tonight, low temperatures falling down to around 73 for Bryan College Station, and 73 in Franklin as well, and Centerville 71. High temperatures tomorrow right around 88 for Caldwell and Hearn, 83 for Cameron, and 88 for Anderson. The cooler places will be the folks that get a little bit more rain once we get into tomorrow. High temperatures in the 80s for the next couple of days, and then 93 on Sunday. Does look like we make a return to some completely dry weather by Monday with a high of 94 and 94 on Tuesday as well. However, some slight introductions of small rain and thunderstorm chances have made it into the forecast for Wednesday and Thursday, but it will still be in the 90s, and it does look like we will be getting a little bit hotter going into the following weekend, up to 96 and 97.